can do it on yourself, girl. Would you look at my hair? Don't you love them? Oh, yeah. So this is what it's looking like. Yes, girl. They're very soft and bouncy and yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I achieve these beautiful passion twists on my hair. Okay, I'll be sharing with you how I installed these passion twists. So if you want to see how I put them in, which is very easy for any person, as long as you can twist and braid a plait. If you want to see more, guys, just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment. Okay, comment, please, baby girl. Okay. Unfortunately, the journey to this hairstyle was not so easy. Oh God, me I will get miserable. So thus far, it's been a challenge trying to do this hair because they all look different. Look. See, all of them different. I don't know how this, I don't know. I have just given up at this point. So I'm just gonna continue doing it until all the hair is done. So here I have already sectioned and twisted my hair in order to make the process go smoother. So here I have this twist and I put the crochet needle through. I grab the water wave here and take one end through, and then I just start twisting the hair around my hair that's twisted. And guys, please make sure that you're twisting this hair on the right side, or else after you finish cutting and everything and you let go of that twist, that will happen. This is not the only time this has happened, guys. I had to do each of these twists twice to get it right, okay? This is what it's supposed to look like, guys. This is what it's supposed to look like. Okay, so I'm finally on the last one, guys, and I'm gonna show you in regular speed how I add the hair. Stick the pin in there, catch it like so, close the pin, pull it through, open it like so. Then I hold, which one? I hold one half and I pull the other half through. And then I'm gonna figure out which side is the right side to twist this hair on. Okay, so it looks like I'm on the right side. Okay, so I'm just trying to tuck twist my hair in there, and then I will be done. So throughout the process of doing this hair, I actually didn't like the style because each of my twists kept looking different, but the more I did it and the more I looked at it, I started to like it. So yeah, now I'm clipping the ends, and then I went ahead and I did my edges, and then I'm gonna see how the style looks. So it kind of grew on me. I love it. I look sweet. Oh yes. Ooh, I look so nice. Yeah, I like it. Step back. Honey, as you can see, this style had me feeling myself, and so I went ahead and I checked what styles I could rock while I had this hair in. I can do a ponytail. Oh, that hairstyle is cute, man. No, sir. The hairstyle look good, man. Look there, look how I look cute. I can wear. Oh my God! Don't me look good, girl. Alright. Alright. So I ended up doing, I think, 3 more styles. See, I did a side pony, a sideways pony, I did a bun, I had 1 to the front there, I had 2 in the front, then I went ahead and I did 2 buns. And yeah, I was just trying different styles to see like how like I could manipulate this hairstyle to give me different looks. And when I tell you that this is a totally different picture from while I was doing the hair, because at first I was so mad. Girl, my ear still good. Me like the style. Me love it. It did frustrate me at first, but now me like it. Come look like a little school girl now, like. Alright guys, so we finally come to the end of the video, and as you can see, I'm still feeling myself here. I really like this hairstyle. So yeah, it's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and share my video. Thanks guys, bye.